In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Wrike tasks to Microsoft Excel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Wrike folder. This is important because you need to navigate directly to the specific project folder or space that contains the tasks you want to sync. So go ahead and log into your Wrike workspace and find that particular folder. Now that you're in your folder, the next step is to access Apps and Integrations. Look for the Apps and Integrations option in the top or side menu within Wrike. Once you're there, you'll see an integration search bar. Type the word Highlight to quickly pull up the recommended tools related to syncing. Once you see the options, it's time to select Excel via Wrike Sync. This tool is powered by Unido and will help you to easily sync your tasks. Click on Excel via Wrike Sync from the search results, and then delve into its description menu to get more details about what this integration can do for you. After you've checked that out, the next step is to authorize Wrike. This is how you'll link your data with Excel. Go to Settings and then find Wrike Sync. Click on Authorize Wrike. A permissions window will appear. You'll need to click Accept to grant data access. Once you've done that, just click Got It to move forward. Now that Wrike is authorized, it's time to connect your Microsoft account. Click the highlighted area that prompts you to connect your spreadsheet. When you see the option to Connect Account, go ahead and select that. You'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 or Outlook account at this point. When you log in, you'll encounter a Microsoft Permissions screen. Make sure to click Accept on this screen as well, allowing Wrike to sync with your Excel. After accepting, you'll see a success message, and once again click Got It to confirm. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully synced your Wrike tasks to Microsoft Excel. It's a fantastic way to keep your project data organized and accessible, allowing you to work across platforms seamlessly. If at any point you find yourself complicating things, remember that you can always revisit these steps for clarification. Make sure to regularly check if your sync remains active and up to date, ensuring you always have the latest information at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide on syncing Wrike tasks to Microsoft Excel helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this.